Alex here with Tech Corner, here to show you how to go about applying a gradient effect you had on a previous object to another object using Affinity Photo. Unfortunately, I haven't found a way in Affinity Photo to save gradients as a swatch like you can in Photoshop. So this is the way I've discovered where there's a gradient you like. For example, I like to use a lot of rainbows for my gradient, but I don't want to have to recreate them every single time. This is a little shortcut on how you can replicate that to another object. So here I have an object with my Nude computer guys, and what I'm going to do is I want to apply it to a space needle thing I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe over, go ahead and press here, copy my space needle over here, perfect. Then all I'm going to do is click on my space needle. I'm going to make this kind of bigger. I'm going to see what it looks like. Perfect. Once you've got that, then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to click on my space needle, and I'm going to hit paste style. Or you can always go up here and hit paste style as well if you want. But if you have the stylus, this is the easiest way to do this. If I do this, there we go. My gradient from my Nude computer guys has been applied, the effect has been applied to my space needle. So that's a little shortcut on how you can go ahead and apply a gradient from a previous object to another object in Affinity Photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or want to support this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.